On the ground. On the ground. Take your hands on your pockets. On the ground. On the ground.
Listen. No soliciting. Don't knock or ring doorbell. Thank you.
What?
What are you doing? You're a fucking mafia. I tried to help, but you're a bad one. Man, you have to.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hey.
Hey, buddy, put that back, buddy. You, put that back, you.
I heard it's 7 degrees out there in Flint. Just couldn't imagine being stuck outside in that type of weather.
Hello? Hello? Fuck, man, I'm freezing. No. Oh, God. I gotta hurry up and go get Sarah. Fuck.
Check this guy out. He's a little cranked out. Starts having a back and fifth with the wall.
But you get another on home? You're a sewage didn't that hardcore family. You're a fucking mafia. I tried to help, but you're a bad one. Man, you have to. Don't put a check with you. Because you're the justice we fucking did with you. See what you did to me? That's what you did to me, you. And you were the dearly justice department to me. For anything and you want more. Right? Want on anything. Or 7 Saigon doors. What's your name? Nothing you want to Lord. And I swore I think that you. I swore I think that other. And you got another thing, not us. What?
Hello, what are you doing looking through my mailbox? Hello, coming out there.
Please consider getting a locked mailbox to keep these thieves away from your personal information.
Get the fuck out of here.
Help me. I just need to make a phone call to my sister. Please. Like, my baby dad just beat me up. I'm figuring out everything. I just want to make a phone call for somebody to come pick me up. Please. Please. Everybody's been denying my calls. I got frostbite already in my fingers. I just want somebody to... I just need to call my sister, please. Everything hurts. I can't even move.
This lady is either sleepwalking or had one too many. I'll let you decide.
Are you like innocent people?
Hey!
What?
What are you doing?
Who's you?
What are you doing?
Get to the building.
You don't live here.
Yes, I do.
You don't live here. I'm calling the police.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I thought it was the next door. I'm sorry. They told me to knock on the window. They come get me. I'm sorry. I didn't realize that.
Get out of there. We call the cops.
Big dry tree. What? And who is this? Look, no soliciting. No soliciting. Don't knock or ring doorbell. Thank you. Otherwise, don't think to sleep. Don't think to sleep. Come on. Come on. Here. I was talking about you. And I ain't got no money. The fuck? Funny shit. I the cutest of them all. Mama. Mama.
Hey, get the hell out.
Okay.
Yep. Babe. No. Morning.
Gun pointed at your door. Let me know down in the comments, what would you do in this situation?
What are you looking at?
You see it? And the fire mattress. Wait, no? I hear a mattress this. Don't I hear a mattress this? It's a enough for more. I didn't think I'd put the back of the kitchen. Come go back.
Bring the stuff, okay. Nothing, I don't see anything.
Come back.
Where I go?
Can't deal with it.
Nothing, Janet.
Get out my room, Mr. Chris. Get out my room. Get out my room.
Chris.
Get out of my room.
How do you get down there?
Get out of my room. Get out of my room. I'm calling.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please be safe out there. I'll see you in the next one.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
If you guys are having any of these issues, your best bet is to direct your packages straight to the post office and just pick them up there.
Stop that. We're gonna have to leave. Oh, what the fuck?
Beat one of you hoes up.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.